Let me tell y'all something. Don't complain. Don't talk about problems. Don't get negative. Win. Winning heals. Winning solves all the problems. People talk to you different when you start winning. When I was a high school dropout, people talked to me different. When it took me 12 years to get a 4-year degree, stop complaining. Ain't nobody treating you like that because it's personal. And it's not personal. When you start getting results, people treat you different. I worked in Denver 2 years ago when they won the championship. They treat me different. I was with Baylor when helping them. They won the championship. They treat you different when you solve problems versus cause them. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy E.T. You already know what time it is. Bring it from the bottom. Thank God it's Monday. Woo! All right, look, I need you to do me a huge favor. I plead with you. Listen to me. For the next 30 days, I need you to give you your best. Come on, I'm pleading with you. Look, I'm going to say it one more time. For the next 30 days, I plead with you. I need you to give you your all. I didn't say your kids. I didn't say your spouse. I didn't say your best friend. I need you for the next 30 days to give you every single thing you got. So the thing that's stopping you from living your best life is you frustrated. Some of you, like you're frustrated. You feel powerless. Like there are other humans that have more influence over you than you have over you. There are people who have more influence over your spouse than you do. There are those of you who, your children, somebody got more influence over your children than you do. Like somebody's got more influence over you as it relates to your own life, and you're frustrated. You're like, why don't I have more control of my life? Like, why does everybody else have more control of my finances? Why does everybody else have more control of my time? Why does other people have more control of my emotions? Like you feel powerless. Look, there are those of you like you're frustrated in your career. Like you've been working too long and you've been working too hard to just be where you are. Like for real, you've been putting in hours and hours. You've been putting in effort. Like and you still not where you want to be in your career. It's still like a glass ceiling. I'm talking to you. I'm going to get you past that. You okay? We gonna be all right. I just want to call it out. Some of you are frustrated in your relationships. Like y'all been hanging out with the same people your whole life and you got nowhere. You look online and you see friend groups building. They doing cruises and you see them making money and they doing conferences. And it's like their union has built something. You've been with the same people. Y'all still just smoking weed. Y'all still just getting drunk. Like y'all still just partying. Y'all, like, no disrespect. You've been doing that forever and there's nothing from that has produced anything. You're frustrated. You're tired, right? Look, I got the solution for you. I'm telling you, because I've been in a lot of those places that you've been, right? So here's the solution, right? RESULTS. I'm going to say it one more time. RESULTS. Results. Listen to me. When you start getting results, people treat you different. Like, watch this real quick, y'all. Watch this real quick. Let me tell y'all something. Don't complain. Don't talk about problems. Don't get negative. Win. Winning heals. Winning solves all the problems. People talk to you different when you start winning. When I was a high school dropout, people talked to me different. When it took me 12 years to get a 4-year degree, stop complaining. Ain't nobody treating you like that because it's personal. And it's not personal. When you start getting results, people treat you different. When I walk through the city now, people treat me different. I'm at, what is it called? I don't want to mess up it. Is it Edgar Allan Poe? I want to make sure I'm saying it right. That's the name of it. It's an elementary school. I came out of the middle school. Dog, did you see the dude? I thought you saw the dude. What was he driving and what happened? My man, what you doing in Chicago? What you doing in Chicago? I was born in Cook County. Where was you born? This is where I'm from. What do you mean? He said, I can't believe they treat you different when you succeed. Yeah, you saw it. Yep. I remember I couldn't get into school. I remember but listen to me, I'm telling you, when you get results, people see you differently. When you get results, small wins, medium wins, big wins, people treat you. I'm telling you, you got to get wins. I'm telling you, you got to get results. I don't care about, listen to me. The only people that want to hear your ideas The only people that want to hear you talk about what you're going to do. The only people that want to be around you when you put forth all this effort and you ain't get no results is your spouse. Maybe you're going to put up with that. Maybe your mama or your grandma feel good about that. But I'm telling you, in the real world, if you don't get results, listen to me. I don't care how much effort you put forth. If you don't score the touchdown, if you don't win the game, you get fired. Coaches have gotten fired. When you start winning, people treat you differently. All right, so this is for the big money, y'all. All right, this is the application part. This is the new TGIM. This is the application part. Here's what I need you to do for me. I need you to change your mindset. I just need one thing from you. For the next 30 days, you're going to give me everything you got, and then you're going to change your mindset. It doesn't matter if you don't win. You got to change your mindset. Only winning matters. If you lose, no, I don't want to hear no excuses. If you lose, nobody's going to treat you fairly. If you lose, nobody's going to have any patience for you. If you lose, nobody's going to want to be around you. If you lose, nobody's going to respect you. Listen to me. Results get respect. You're not respected right now. Nobody respects you. Nobody believes in you. Nobody wants to give you their time. Nobody wants to give you their resources. Nobody wants to give you your energy. Nobody wants to be around you. Why? Because you're not getting results. You want respect, get results. You want respect, people respect me now. That's why I need you to do me a huge favor. We're going to talk about, don't miss next week, because I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to start getting results. But for right now, I just need you to change your mindset. I need you to stop telling yourself you won because you tried. I need you to stop telling yourself you won because you put forth effort. I need you to stop telling yourself you won because you showed up. I need you to stop telling yourself you won because you got this great idea. I need you to do me a favor. Only winning is winning. That's it. It's your boy E.T. Winners win and losers lose. Get results. Are you hearing me? Get some doggone results. Let's go. I'll see y'all next Monday.
What you see until you see what you said. Okay, one more time. Speak what you see.
Speak what you see.
Until you see what you said.
Until you see what you said.
I want you to do me a favor. I want you to stop speaking what you see. But when you see a problem, you don't see it to talk about it. You don't see it to put more fuel on it. You see a problem because you have the solution. Let me tell you something. When you start coming up with solutions to problems, I worked with Denver 2 years ago when they won the championship. They treat me different. I was with Baylor when helping them, they won the championship. They treat you different when you solve problems versus cause them. They pay you different when you solve problems versus cause them.